What if I told you that some of the best AI courses in the world are completely free? With AI changing industries faster than ever, learning AI could be one of the smartest investments you make in your future. In this video, I'll show you 8 free AI courses that can help you build valuable AI skills in 2026 without spending a dime. Let's get started. First, we have Google AI. Google offers beginner-friendly courses that explain AI concepts, generative AI, and real-world applications in a simple way. Next is Microsoft Learn. Their free AI learning paths cover AI fundamentals, machine learning basics, and practical workplace applications. Both are great starting points if you're new to artificial intelligence. IBM Skills Build is another excellent option. You'll learn AI fundamentals, machine learning concepts, and how businesses are using AI today. Then there's Deep Learning AI. Founded by AI expert Andrew Ng, this platform offers courses on prompt engineering, generative AI, and large language models that are highly relevant right now. Harvard Online provides free educational resources that can help you strengthen your understanding of technology and AI-related concepts. Stanford Online is another powerful resource, offering access to materials from one of the world's leading AI research institutions. If you're serious about learning AI, these are worth exploring. Coursera gives you access to free AI and machine learning courses from top universities and companies through its audit option. And LinkedIn Learning frequently offers free AI-focused training that can help professionals improve productivity and stay competitive in today's job market. Why learn AI? Here's the reality. AI isn't just for programmers anymore. Marketers, designers, freelancers, entrepreneurs, students, and business owners are all using AI tools to work smarter and save time. The people who start building AI skills today will have a major advantage tomorrow. Which of these free AI courses are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and for more AI tools, AI news, and learning resources, visit ToolModo.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.